New at 6, Miami-Dade schools reconvened its health task force for the first time since South Florida started to see a rise in cases. Whether to keep schools open was not the topic of discussion, though. It was more about how you make sure students don't fall through the cracks and how coronavirus quarantine should be handled now that the CDC has changed the conversation.
We have not, as some predicted, seen any type of dramatic growth in COVID cases in our schools.
There's good news from Miami-Dade County schools. The district says the majority of its cases are not coming from inside the schools, rather from people coming back to school sick after a long weekend. The questions before the superintendent's task force and the board: how do you handle quarantines when they happen, and what do you do to keep students from falling behind?
They still emphasize that 14 days is the preferred quarantine period without necessarily having to have any testing.
And while that sounds pretty simple, it isn't. There's confusion around the district about who should quarantine and what are parents who work supposed to do. Infectious disease expert Dr. Eileen Marty says because the conversation is still being had within the CDC about whether it should be a 7-day quarantine with a negative test, a 10-day quarantine without one, or the current 14-day standard.
How much risk are you willing to tolerate versus the benefit of that risk?
A lot of confusion comes from this. Miami-Dade schools, whether they're elementary, middle, or high school, fall under the same rules, but charter and private schools don't have to follow the same protocol.
Right? Back when our levels were really low and things were much better, then you didn't have as much risk by not necessarily letting people, have to be out of class for 14 days, etc. You are correct. There are so many other issues, and there's nothing like having the kids in brick and mortar and in school.
And that's where the second concern is: students dealing with mental health issues, falling through the cracks educationally, and living full-time in environments not considered safe.
But we've come across many different less than ideal scenarios where students are certainly taking a toll and are becoming victims in this pandemic as a result of a modality choice or circumstances that the family is facing.
Superintendent Carvalho also said about 45% of Miami-Dade school students are in school. The district has lost about 1,000 students that they've had to track down. The superintendent says most of them have either left the area or the country entirely with their parents due to circumstances surrounding the pandemic.